good morning, evening, afternoon, or night. Today we're going to be making a pencil. Not exactly the same, but it's a pencil which has a lead, which every pencils have, and we can write. Of course, if you want to, you can take your own pencil, take a knife, and take the lead out. But in this case, I have a mechanical pencil, which I use sometimes. But in this case, I ran out of these leads, and I bought this Staedtler Mars Carbon lead. And for this project, I'll take one out. Ouch. Anyways, put your lead at the side for a moment. Take a scissors and a scale. Scale with centimeters. Using a pencil, mark out 2 centimeters away from one line. It should be a width. This one or this one, depends on you. Also mark it on the other side. Just like this. One here and one there. Match these two together. And then using a pair of scissors, cut them out. Here we go. Put this aside for a moment. Here we go. And now take your lead. Sorry for the interruption. Continuation. 0.7 or 8 millimeters or 1 centimeter over here. 2 centimeters. Rest replace. And then mark a point 1 centimeter away from your bottom point of your lead. Mark this, and after that measure how much it makes. It makes 11 centimeters exactly. Mark 11 centimeters again. Repeat the process, but this time it's 11 from the length. Join these lines together. Just to know which one I will use this piece. I'm just making some marks to just let me know that this is a waste. Anyways, I make these two lines just like this, and then cut them out as usual. Now take your lead, and then I might just need the tip of the paper. From here, start wrapping the paper completely around the lead. Now, don't completely wrap it. Just wrap half of it. So this thick will be our pencil. And then, cut that out. Here, I've cut it out, and this can be used again to make another one. And I'll unspool this once, and last finalized time roll it again. It is much easier now to roll. Now before you roll this, I've done a mistake here, but I'm telling you now, before you roll this, you have to keep your any tape, in this case I'm using a masking tape, ready. Here we go. Take your masking tape, and then just a piece of it for now. Carefully place it like this. Now take your lead out. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Now take another strip of tape like this, and this time wrap it all around the pencil. Here we go. Cut this out. Cut the excess out. Like this. It's pretty difficult, so I'm cutting a bit of paper from this end only. So here's your pencil body ready. Now focus to the strip that we cut earlier. Actually. This 2 centimeter strip. Cut it into a quarter, a half, and another half. The rest 3/4 can be used in another project. In this quarter, you need to take your lead again over here and then roll it. Keep your strip ready. Roll it now, quickly as possible. The previous one didn't catch out that much, so here I am using now it is not moving that much freely. See, this is the thing that you want in here, also in here. It is moving freely, but not that much. Now you are just one more step away for completing your pencil to assemble these 3 pieces together. Now we need to join these two like this. So I'm going to use a strip of tape, masking tape in this case, or not like this, no, like this. Roll it out. Take your LED out. It should drop like this, but if it doesn't, you can use another LED from here. Since there are 12, I have 11 more. You can use another LED to push through the over here, and the other will come from the other side, and then you can both of them, and your LED won't be wasted. Now insert your LED. I am now using another LED. Now I'm using another LED to push it towards the front like this, just like this, and cut it from the, now cut the excess out. Keep cutting until the lead is not damaged. Now over here there is lead. See? Over here. Now over here, fix another piece of tape like this. Like this, and here's your final product, pencil ready. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope the pencil that you will make is beneficial for you. You can also color your pencil if you want to. Anyways, please do sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel actually. I make my videos myself only. Please do sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Enable the notification bell so you can receive latest updates about my YouTube channel. And bye bye.